amazing about this whole process is that diamonds undergo a lot of stress from the heat and the pressure under the Earth's surface. A lot like life, right? Like the amount of stress you might be under. In the middle of all of that, there's a volcanic eruption. It's like when you're already going through it, a crisis hits, right? It's never just one thing. It's always 3 or more things all going on at once. But then that crisis, that volcanic eruption brings the diamond up to the surface, up to this level of awareness. Then there's still more work to do. The kimberlite rock goes through a multi-step extraction process to actually get to the diamond. So it takes all of this pressure and heat to get to the level of awareness, to bring the diamond up to the surface. Then, once it's there, there's a sequence of other steps to get to the clarity and the light of the diamond beneath. Now, does this mean that the diamond was never there? No, of course not. The diamond is there beneath the Earth's surface in the kimberlite rock. It's just covered up. You are the diamond. All these stressful events are making you stronger. The crisis, the burnout, the divorce, the business going under, these are your volcanic eruptions that are bringing you to the surface level of awareness. Now, we're going to do the work together to get to the clarity so that you can see the diamond that's always been there and shine in her radiance. Shine in your radiance.